Today's featured truck of the day is a 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3100 pickup truck that's been customized, had a nice interior work done to it, and had a low-ride suspension with airbags and quite a few other touches, a matte paint job or could be a wrap, not 100% sure either way, and not sure of the engine or transmission because the owner wasn't around until he came to take off. So that's the only time I saw the owner, didn't get a chance to speak to him. But it was a good looking truck, different color, had some nice touches done to it, nice wheels. Didn't, when he fired it up, didn't seem to be anything special motor wise, probably just a small block Chevy. But it's definitely a good looker and kind of a nice two-tone with the green, kind of a lime green and black or dark gray two-tone with a custom bed that he had put in it as well, a wooden bed and a cutouts for the exhaust behind the rear tires. Quite a few nice touches done to it. Yeah, and 59 was the last year for the Apache pickup truck. Chevy called it the Task Force pickups, which came out mid-year 1955, went through 1959. The 55 through 7s had the dual headlights. 58 and 9 had the quad headlights, and those being mainly known as the Apache 3100s, the 58 and 59s. And then 1960, they went to the total new body style, which went from 60 through 1966. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.